Okay, hello YouTube, and finally some update. What is happening? My move is pretty much done, and let's go through this new apartment and vacuum situation. So there is the door where I come to this apartment. So main door, two-piece door, so one door is this, and then outer door to keep all the noises down. So there is this hallway, and my retro lamp, bathroom and shower, and yes, they just installed this washing machine outlet today. So washing machine is going to be there. So very basic Finnish style shower with chrome pipes. I like it. So, and now we have this shower thing, and you can wash your hair in the sink if you don't want to take the full shower. So that's that, but that's not so important. And living room, and of course I have my lovely rook there. And now curtains are missing. Now I put picture of my balcony, what is there to this. So that was the balcony, and it is ground level and there is no one next to me there. So okay, now lighting is not the best, but you got the idea. So new sofa, and this is from the previous apartment, and all my heavy stuff and so on, and okay, and kitchen is this tiny place. There is table where I should be eating, but it's mainly the living room where I eat. So this is very old, but everything in this apartment is in excellent condition compared to my previous apartment. So yes, that's that. Now let's see the vacuum situation. Okay, this is meant for vacuums, but I just keep my vacuum of choice in hand. Some attachments there. So there is bedroom, and lighting is a bit poor there. Now this is bigger, this apartment, than my previous apartment, and okay, so vacuum of choice is okay, flash on. So it is this Electrolux Silent Performance Cyclonic, and my plan was to use this nozzle with that SIBO fitting now, so it is click fit, and it is very nice, other than that living room rug. It is absolutely pain, that rug. And this just books down, and I have to choose the right direction. And what direction you use means that you have to use different power levels and so on. So I just use this SIBO ET1 power head with it, and vacuum the whole apartment. A bit pity. So what I was meant to say is that I just use this stretch action nozzle, and then few times amount deep clean with power nozzle, or these what I currently have in the apartment, so Kirby Tradition. Okay. And SIBO Felix. Now SIBO Felix is missing that power head because Electrolux uses that, and rest of my vacuums are in storage. So there is that. So we have this Sakruk there, and these low pile crooks, and that SIBO power head goes crazy. It's pulling very hard forward, and it gets old very fast and actually annoying. But it is really saving when it is time to vacuum this very, very demanding group. And it's just impossible for some vacuums and nozzles. So that was a bit tour of my new apartment, and yes, I hope you had good idea what I am dealing with here. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.